In front of me is Nothing Phone 3, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and tapping on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Now select one of those themes by clicking on a perfect one for you. I will go with this one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher, and when you're ready, hit apply at the bottom right corner. So when I do that, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. If you want to customize it, click on the same icon, and this time tap on this plus one under my themes. Now tap on the photo you wish to apply as your new keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and hit next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage key borders and tap on apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!